What's up, Vanity Friends? Welcome back to my channel. My name is MJ Garcia Perez, and in today's video, I am going to teach you how you can properly use peeling gel and cleansing balm. And also, i-share ko na rin po sa inyo yung review ko sa mga bagong products ng Beauty of Joseon, yung kanilang Apricot peeling gel at yung kanilang Radiance cleansing balm. In my past videos, I already taught you how you can properly apply your skincare products like toner, moisturizer, cleanser, and sunscreen. And super rare yung mga gumagawa ng videos or nagtuturo kung paano nga ba tamang gamitin yung mga peeling gel and cleansing balm. Kasi super important din po na tama yung paggamit natin sa mga products na to, lalo pag peeling gel exfoliating siya, para mas ma-reap po natin yung benefits niya. Hindi porket nakapanood kayo ng isang video na ganun siya mag-apply ng peeling gel or ng cleansing balm, ganun na po yung proper way. Okay, meron pong tamang paggamit nito para maiwasan po natin yung mas marami pang problem. So let's start with the peeling gel. Peeling gel is a type of physical exfoliator that removes dead skin cells in the first layer of our skin. Now, how can we effectively use yung mga peeling gel katulad nitong Apricot Blossom peeling gel from Beauty of Joseon? The first thing that you need to remember whenever you're exfoliating your face is you must do this 2 times a week lamang po. 1 to 2 times a week. Do not over-exfoliate your skin because it can lead to a more problem. So you need to make sure that you already cleanse your face and you pat it dry. Tapos, whenever you're using a peeling gel, put the product first at the back of your hand for hygienic purposes. Do not put it on your palm directly or on your face. Please, huwag po natin i-direct dyan, okay? Because it may cause irritation sa ating face and contamination as well. Now, grab the product using your fingertips at the back of your hand and gently massage the product. Unahin muna natin sa center ng ating face, papalabas po. Tapos, i-massage lang natin siya sa ating entire face, including our neck, for 2 minutes. Tapos, after po natin mamassage yung ating face and neck for 2 minutes, we need to rinse it off with warm water. Kung hindi naman, okay na po yung regular water na dumadaloy sa ating gripo. Okay na din po yan. Now, after po natin mag-rinse, gently pat our face with clean towel po. Huwag po natin panggigilan, huwag natin kuskusin yung ating face, especially kakatapos natin mag-exfoliate. So, mahalaga na pat dry lang po yung gagawin natin. So, that is how you can effectively and properly use peeling gel. Ngayon naman po, i-share ko sa inyo yung review ko dito sa Beauty of Joseon Apricot Blossom Peeling Gel. Honestly, I'm in favor sa mga peeling gels as compared sa mga harsh physical scrubs. Mas okay pa rin sa akin to. Pero, the best pa rin po para sa akin yung mga chemical exfoliators. Pero may mga iba naman kasi na prefer nila yung mga physical exfoliators. Mas okay po nagagamit tayo ng mga peeling gels kaysa mga facial scrubs. The product is not harsh on the skin pag ina-apply mo na siya, hindi katulad ng mga scrubs. Tapos hindi rin siya drying. Tapos hindi siya katulad ng ibang peeling gels na ang hirap i-apply sa face kasi parang nagdidikit-dikit or nagbubuo-buo siya. This one, it's so easy to use. And yes, it does the job, guys, na exfoliate naman niya yung aking skin. Now, pag-usapan natin yung mga active ingredients niya. This product contains Apricot Blossom na nakakapagpa-add ng moisture and nakakapagpa-brighten ng ating skin. And guys, iba po yung Apricot scrub ha. Hindi po siya yung parang beads. Apricot Blossom po or bulaklak yung ginamit dito. This product also contains Balm, which is a natural peeling ingredient na nakakapag-remove ng mga dead skin cells at nakaka-cleanse po ng ating face. Balm can also cleanse clogged pores for more glowing skin. It is also packed with antioxidants and skin smoothing ingredients. Ang ayoko lang sa kanya, honestly, is meron siyang kahalong alcohol or denatured alcohol tsaka fragrance. And because of that, sa totoo lang, namumula yung face ko after ko siyang gamitin. Although red naman na talaga yung face ko, alam niyo yan, pero mas napapapula niya after kong gumamit na to. Pero hindi naman sing pula pag gumagamit ako ng mga physical scrubs. Kaya naman after ko gumamit ng peeling gel na to, ina-applyan ko agad siya nitong Beauty of Joseon Dynasty Cream. Guys, this one is super duper nice. It's a super light moisturizer. Wala siyang fragrance, maganda yung active ingredients niya, and talagang nakaka-moisturize siya ng face. And immediately guys, after mo mag-apply ng moisturizer na to, kumakalma talaga yung balat. Alam nyo, isa ito sa mga pinakasikat na product ng Beauty of Joseon, and this one is a must try talaga. So going back sa peeling gel, alam nyo, all in all naman sa pagka-try ko ng product na to, okay naman siya sa aking skin, although nga namumula yung face ko after ko siyang gamitin, but it served its purpose. Hindi naman nagtatagal yung pamumula niya, na-exfoliate naman niya yung aking skin, but hindi ko siya marirecommend kung meron po kayong sensitive and dry skin. By the way, itong video pa lang to is sponsored by Beauty of Joseon, pero alam nyo naman ako, sabihin ko talaga sa inyo yung mga bagay na hindi ko nagustuhan at nagustuhan ko sa mga products nila. Now let's move on dito naman sa kanilang Radiance Cleansing Balm. Ang mga cleansing balm is okay siya pang double cleanse ng ating face, especially kung nagwe-wear kayo ng makeup or even tinted sunscreen. Now, I'm also going to teach you how you can properly use cleansing balm. Unlike sa peeling gel, yung cleansing balm naman, we can use it every day even if hindi tayo nagwe-wear ng makeup. Most of the cleansing balm comes with a spatula, so make sure na gamitin po natin ito to get the product out. Do not use or dip your finger directly po dun sa product para ma-avoid po natin yung contamination. So using the spatula, get the product and put it at the back of your hand again. Using your fingertips, get the product and gently massage on your face. Again, mag-start po tayo sa center ng ating face, going outwards. So after po nating mamassage yung ating buong face and ating neck, i-rinse po natin siya with warm water. And again, kung wala pong warm water, okay na po yung water na nanggagaling sa faucet natin. Tapos ipat dry lang po natin siya. Tapos pwede na po tayong gumamit ng ating regular cleanser. Bakit gagamit pa tayo ng cleanser, guys? Again, double cleansing po yung ginagawa natin. First is cleansing balm. Then next is yung ating regular cleanser para ma-make sure na walang naiwang debris or naiwang dirt and bacteria dyan sa ating face. Now, here's my review about the Radiance Cleansing Balm ng Beauty of Joseon. I actually like it because it does the job. It removes my makeup effectively. Nado-double cleanse niya yung aking face. Tapos, hindi siya drying sa mukha. Hindi rin nagre-red yung aking face whenever I'm using this product. It's not heavy and irritating kasi may mga cleansing balm na pag in-apply mo sa iyong face, ang bigat ng pakiramdam talaga. Plus pa yung natatanggal niya mga makeup, diba? This one, super light niya. Para ka lang nag-a-apply ng serum sa face mo. Ang maganda ba sa product mo to, hindi lang siya basta nakaka-cleanse ng face. Marami siyang kahalong active ingredients katulad ng glycerin or glycerin na natural moisturizer and humectant din po siya for our face. It also contains vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant that protects our skin from sun damage. Meron din siyang kahalong rice water na nakaka-boost po ng ating skin's moisture. This product also contains fermented grains that gently removes makeup, impurities, excessive oil, and it also cleanses our face very well. It also contains chrysanthemum that suits the skin and improves its complexion. Yun nga lang guys, meron din siyang kahalong fragrance, pero that's fine with me since rinse-off product naman ito. And honestly, I recommend this product especially if you have normal, oily, and combination skin. Pero hindi ko pa siya marirecommend if you have hypersensitive skin. All in all guys, okay naman po sa akin itong mga products. It does the job. It makes my skin more glowing and that's the importance po ng pag-exfoliate ng ating balat at pag-double cleanse. Mas makikita mo talaga na mas maaliwalas, mas glowing yung face mo as compared sa hindi ka nag-exfoliate at nag-double cleanse kasi nagpa-pile up po yung mga dead skin cells and mga impurities dyan sa ating face. So mahalaga po na tama yung paggamit natin ng mga exfoliators at pag-double cleanse ng ating face. And add ko na rin pala guys, super duper love na love ko po yung mga serums ng Beauty of Joseon. These are very nice guys. Marami silang klase ng serum. Meron na po akong review na to. Super ganda, super lightweight sa face. It does the job. Wala siya mga kahalong harmful chemicals. You must try their serums as well. So that's it my vanity friends. I hope you learned something new today. And if ever po interested kayo mag-purchase ng mga Beauty of Joseon products, talagay ko na lang po yung link sa description box. Sana po enjoy nyo yung video natin for today. If you like it, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell and follow me on all my social media channels, all at MJ Garcia Perez. Maraming salamat my vanity friends. God bless as always, and as usual, you guys are really awesome. Bye!